all of these ideas of exactly where I wanted things and how I wanted them to look. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. I love that. And Rob made chicken soup. I wanted something with a little bit of a different background. I have named this collection. Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome to studio vlog number 2. Today we are working on the website. I am currently in the midst of taking pictures for the website. I need a banner, I need product pages, so I've got cleaning supplies out because Kai is down there keeping me company. Hey buddy. Are you comfortable down there? I don't know why that's like one of his favorite spots to be. Anyhow, I am creating a scene, so I'm just wiping things down, making sure that everything looks absolutely perfect. And yeah, totally using my iPhone because it takes the best pictures. Today is all about getting the website, at least the bones of it, structured out, and I gotta take a lot of pictures today. So that's what we're doing. First and foremost, just getting some shots in, setting up some areas, but that means that I gotta clean a little bit, I gotta plan a little bit. We also have a desk in my office, I'll show you. This is such a fun moment right here. Love, love. But you can see that my desk is definitely going to need a little bit of picking up because I definitely want to get some shots of my planners on my desk. But I'm very excited. You would have saw in the first studio vlog where I packaged up all of those are the weekly planners. We've got the shopping lists here and the daily planners here. So this is one kind of round of them, and I think that's enough for launch day, but I'm very, very excited. I've got my mailers here. So really, we are absolutely ready to go. One of the things I've not done yet is this, our label printer. I need to figure this out. The thing is, I can't really test it out until I have the website up and running. So that is priority number 1. I knew that I wanted my website, even though my website's all about notepads and stickers, I still wanted it to have a splash of my vibe with the warm and the cozy. And I just didn't want to have like stark white backgrounds. I did a Google search of notepads to see like how other companies showcase their products. And I don't know, most were just super boring. There wasn't a lot of visual interest. And if you know me, you know that I'm a visual person and I want things to look pretty. So I really thought it would take me a couple of hours at most to take the pictures that I needed. Be surprised now. I made a list of the shots that I wanted to get, but when I kind of got into it, I totally started second guessing myself and I started questioning my decisions to go off track a little and not just, keep it more like what the others do. But when you see the site, how it turns out, I think you'll think it was a good decision. We actually ended up mixing the best of both worlds and I just love it so much.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
It's funny because I thought I had all of these ideas of exactly where I wanted things and how I wanted them to look. And now that I'm actually doing it, I'm like, I don't know that that's gonna look good. Oh, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take.
Where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my...
I actually really like them fanned out this way. I think those will make good pictures. So now I just gotta unwrap 5 shopping lists.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
I won't lie, this hurt my heart a little bit to do, but we needed all the pics, and I did not consider when I had packaged everything up that I'd need to leave some unwrapped. I was kind of flying by the seat of my pants and going with what felt right. Also, I'm not sure how much I love the new iPhone 14. I have the Pro Max and I'm an Apple girl all the way. I love my Mac. But I'm finding that the camera is just not my favorite. It's probably more intuitive than I'd like. It blurs and it focuses and even like does auto filters. And I'm over here like, stop it. I'm sure there's a way to fix a setting somewhere, but I just don't have time for it right now. So we're going with it. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break, double check all my things. Messages, comments, stuff like that. I've been working really hard these last few weeks to stay caught up on my to-do list, but some things have definitely fallen through the cracks, but it's okay because it's hustle season for me and I'm here for it. But I'd be lying if I said I wasn't excited for next week when I've got a few live stream plan with me's under my belt and our website is launched. These are two major things that have been on my goal list for the last few months and certainly on my to-do list for the last few weeks. So it feels really, really good to check these big ones off. Now we get to enter the phase of maintaining everything, and that's also very exciting. So it feels really good to be here now, especially after you put in so much work. All right, so I've gone in and I actually created my banner, like the original first picture that you'll see on the website. But look at, I do love it. However, I am probably going to have to retake this, move things around so that I have places for the text and the buttons. But I think this is what I'm gonna do, create these with what I have, and then we can tweak and take pictures that we know will fit and will really work and look all cohesive. But I love that. And Rob made chicken soup for dinner tonight, and he's coming here to keep me company and say hi.
And to make sure you eat the soup.
So good. I do not have that, but that's okay because this is really good. I need to focus on this. All right, guys, it has been a couple of hours. I have made some pretty darn good progress. So I have made a banner. I have made several different photos that I knew I was going to need as kind of like placeholders. And then I wrote out like the verbiage, the text that goes in under each of the products. I wrote those out for the 3 different notepads. We have the weekly planner page, we have the today's to-do list, and then we have the shopping list. So I've got all of that stuff all written out, and I have decided, and it just literally came to me because in Shopify, you actually create collections, and in the collection, if you were doing clothing, it would be like all your shirts, all your pants, all your whatevers. So I decided that I'm gonna have collections. The first collection in this drop is going to be the hibiscus, obviously, because it's my favorite thing in the whole wide world. And this collection is going to be called Nani. And Nani, N-A-N-I, is what my family calls me. They don't call me Charlani, they call me Nani. So that is what this collection is going to be called, and I'm excited about it because it opens up the door to, like, I could name a collection after my sisters, after my niece, after my mom, like, because we all have Hawaiian-ish names, tropical-ish names. So I'm very excited about it for sure. Like, we're all it's all botanical. And that just makes me super happy. So, okay, I am going to continue on. Now that I have kind of like those things that were some of the main parts, I'm gonna build out now. And this is the fun part. I'm very excited about this, but this is also the technical side of things. So, wish me luck.
won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Oh, hi you guys. Totally forgot I was filming and taking you along with me. Obviously it is the next day, so I thought I would grab you and show you what I have been up to. So earlier today, I actually got my hair done. Kaylee did my hair. You saw this part yesterday, all the things over here, that photo shoot. And so I did a lot last night. The bones of the website is situated. I'm very excited about that because now I can work on the finishing, the little touches of it, right? So I have another setup right here just because I wanted something with a little bit of a different background just to see. Like, let's see if I like this coloring a little bit better. Here's kind of where we're at. This was what we did for yesterday, and I do actually like that a ton. However, I just wanted to see, because listen, I am very much that person where I'm like, ooh, that looks really good, but could it be better? So while I was getting my hair done, I was processing. I actually had taken my laptop with me and I messed with like the different colors of the background. Like I want it to be very neutral. But you can see here that, oh, by the way, figured out how to do that when you scroll over it. But I kind of love just the plain of our wood, like kind of like our signature background. I kind of love that. But I also kind of love this. And I did have this on all three of them. Obviously, they're the same. I'm just looking to see what the theme is gonna be. But I love this, but it was way too busy to have them up there, so I switched it out. But I do love just this regular, like plain like that. And then I can obviously add in more pictures just to kind of show, but I think that's kind of cool. Kind of love that. And then I have, well, obviously we only have the one collection, which is in all three of these because it's what it is. But you know, I'm creating things. We are gonna talk about it. And then I also added on how to get my Instagram on here, which I'm excited about that too. So I am definitely making progress. We will definitely be using this website unless for some reason when I get to like the shipping side of it, something is tweaky or doesn't work, which I don't think that's gonna be an issue because I have a few more days yet until it is launched. And so we have plenty of time to work out those kinds of kinks, which I'm happy about because I'm further along than I had anticipated being. The other thing is I'm kind of letting myself off the hook with the website because in my mind, I was like, I want at least 5 blog posts up there. I want the about page, like I wanted it to be perfect. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be perfect right out the gate. It just has to work. And then I can tweak as we go and add blog posts along the way. It's like I've already got them kind of written out, so I just want to get them up. So we'll see. We're gonna get it up enough so that launch day can happen and you'll get to see exactly what you need to see, and then we can just tweak as we go, which helps a ton. But small business owner things to do, it has been a little bit daunting but also unexpectedly joyful. Like I love just packing my orders, like packaging up the notepads, looking at the stickers. It makes my heart happy every single time. Like the serotonin I get from just seeing all of that behind me, all organized up, and oh, it just makes me happy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog number 2. We will see what this turns into. I'm hoping, like I said, that someday I'll be able to look back at this and say, look at where we started, in my home office and with this little area, my shipping station right there, which I love, by the way. So, hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.